I don't know what to say. We've just left Ubertina and we're on our way to Twee Riviere, and it's about 5 kilos to go. So you can have a look at the map. It's going to be a flash and then we're there. Twirrofeeder.
We actually met someone in Mischint who's from here, hey?
Yes.
Oh, that is too cute. Oh,
It is very cute, eh? Yeah.
windows are not broken.
Not broken, definitely intact.
The always present apple packers.
Yep.
Cute little cottages, these.
Very.
Oh. Sure, these two are old. They're not in such
Must
good
be.
condition.
There goes the train tracks again.
They follow you as much as you follow them.
Apple Express.
They know you're a big fan. So am I, for the record.
I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to gas up petrol.
All right.
I need some petrol.
Is it another Atlantic oil?
Sure it is. Yes, it
Something
is.
we don't see in our area.
No, this is diesel. Diesel. Just diesel.
That's 95. Oh,
Oh, there it says 95 there.
someone's coming. We better check.
Yes. Yeah, this is petrol. That's all I need is diesel in the car. Fueled up and ready for action.
So Twirrofeeder is another very old town, hey?
Serious, eh?
It says from 1752 onwards, Twirrofeeder gradually took form as the expanding centre of a thriving farm, giving rise to the present-day town's arrangement of homes, barns and paddocks. Oh,
Whoa.
that looks cool.
Yeah. How cool is this, eh? Goes through there.
Yes. As if one could drive in and
Yes.
through. As if it's an entrance to some farm.
I'm trying to see past there. Twirrofeeder.
Yeah, 1765 to 2015. Incredible.
Wild. here, just opposite here, we've just stopped and from the one side to the other side, there's just these magnificent buildings.
So
I can see this being 250 years old. Now, I learned something in Avontuur, that if one has a look at the glass panes, like there, that top glass pane there,
Yeah.
it's like watery, it's not 100% clear.
Yes.
That's in the 1800s.
Really?
Yes.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
So we've always had the thought that all of these towns basically were one farm.
Well,
That-
yes, were farms and the town developed around the farm.
Right, and it
Yes.
became a collection of houses and stuff like this website just said.
Yes.
That was also old. Everything was built shut.
Yes. I'm going to go right here first.
Yeah. We're gonna ooh and ah a lot here.
All the time. I just wanted to turn here and come and have a look at the church. Now, it's a modern church,
Yes.
but there's no sign of what
Yeah.
kind of church it is. Or is it even a church? Well, it looks that round window above the door there lets me think it's a church, but it might not be.
I think on the other side we might see.
Can we go
It's
around
locked
and
up.
have a look? Yeah, can't get in. Check out this building.
Oh, it's crumbling there at the back. This front side might tell us something.
Yep,
Or is this the back side?
it's the back side. This is the front side, yeah.
Is this the front side?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, definitely a church, but
Yeah, it's my feeling too.
yeah.
So I'm trying to figure out what two rivers gave
okay.
Twirrofeeder its name, but I haven't been able to yet. I'm looking for something specific in town, and if I find it, I shall read you a little bit.
Please do. This is so interesting.
Pretty houses these,
Yeah.
eh? Okay, I think you need to reverse a little. So, they say the picturesque little village of Twirrofeeder is crisscrossed by an ingenious old world aqueduct system via which sweet mountain water is conveyed to every homestead.
And yeah, you can see them. That is incredible. And each little house has a little sluice that they open to get the water into their property. I'll just go a bit forward and show you.
We heard about the sweet mountain water in Tranquil River already.
Yes. And yes, the little sluice that goes into the property. Incredible.
Hi?
Fascinating. Serious.
Fascinating is the right word. Okay, I shall look for the names of the two rivers now.
Try.
Yeah, you see it here all along.
Mm-hmm.
It is definitely picturesque.
That it is.
by. They had tiny homes back then already. Oh, look at that.
Woodlands cabin.
Love it. What? They live in that little cabin?
Yes.
That's
Man,
too cute.
oh man.
Look at this wall.
Yeah.
This wall is just backed.
Yep.
What? It's interesting.
Telling you now, I like Twirrofeeder.
You like Twirrofeeder?
Yeah, I like Twirrofeeder.
Okay, so it takes its name from the Diep River and the Dwars River.
Okay, dokie. So you found out.
Yes.
Look at this.
One doesn't have to think very hard to think you're driving here in the 18th century,
Oh
eh?
no, you can see it's beautiful here.
And I think it was always.
And the
Okay.
tractors are running around still. Look at what?
That's an old building.
Oh yes.
Tractors everywhere. We won't get away from them in the Langkloof.
No. So look where we come out. Yeah. There the church is on your left.
Oh, we took a circular route.
Yes, perfect. Now one can see why the roads are in this condition, with all these trucks coming to pick up the fruit and stuff. What little roads would be able to last? Since the Apple Express has stopped functioning, the roads are taking a pounding.
Something tells me you want the Apple Express back.
I want the Apple Express back. Look at these cute little places.
Yeah. It's nice when people restore them to look like that, hey?
Yeah.
So this is something we've heard about.
The Belfry Kitchen.
Yes. So I do believe this is our next stop.
Yes. How cool is this? The old post office.
That's how I remember post boxes.
Yes.
Long ago.
Long
Okay.
time.
Yeah. I think they're blue now. That's how I remember them. With the holes.
Yeah. Now we stopped off here. Next to the post office is the Belfry Kitchen. It's a campus cafeteria. They've got pottery school and things going on here inside. And I went in and I wanted to record, and they said they would rather not. They're very nice about it, because it's mainly for the campus, the cafeteria, and they don't want the public to think that it's just a place where anybody can come and eat. So yeah, but it's beautiful inside there.
Oh no, we'll respect that 100%.
100%, yeah.
It does look gorgeous.
It is.
Yeah, very nice. It was good to see. Look at the
Yeah.
nicely trimmed edge. Good to see places like this.
Yeah, I'm glad I stopped there. That's the entrance to the campus. It's called Campus Drive.
Very nice. Wow.
Pretty.
Beautiful facility. the road with tractors.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
Young trees again. Or even younger your side.
Yeah, newborn.
Look at that nice building there at the back.
Oh, that's a farmhouse for you.
Do you think that's what it is?
No, definitely. That for sure. Yeah.
Beautiful. That is beautiful.
It is a beautiful farmhouse. Tractor full of apples and pears, I suppose, or just apples.
Yes.
Full of apples, yeah. Amazing.
Oh, it's a public road. We can actually drive in here.
Yeah. Camelot.
Beautiful dogs.
Yeah.
3 of them. Gorgeous. Oh, 4 of them. One came charging out the dog door. And they have a rock garden in their backyard.
Sure.
Look at these 2 tall Oh, look how tall they are. Good heavens. And they remain dead straight.
They don't have much wind here, you see.
It's also an old fella.
Been around since the beginning, I'm sure.
Look at those warehouses out on farms.
Yeah. Pears.
Hey,
Yeah.
so they transported differently.
Looks like it, I'm not sure. But those are definitely pears. So with the drone footage, it looks as if this entrance is to the campus. It might have been the old entrance into the campus. I'm not sure if it was a campus back then.
Yeah, who would know?
Yeah.
We have no idea.
But it's a cute little town.
Very nice.
Yeah.
And it, I think a lot of its character has remained, and that's why we feel so drawn to it.
Yes, definitely. This Apple Express train tracks. I must go and see if we can find the Twirrofeeder station.
Do you think there was one?
Definitely must have been one, yeah. Because they also major farming with apples and stuff. Just the tracks. Oh, definitely there the buildings are.
This definitely does look like a railway building.
Oh, for sure, yeah, they split. Definitely.
So that tells you this was the station?
This was the station, yeah. Definitely this.
Unfortunately, the boards seem to have been removed.
Yeah. And these.
So this was part of it?
Yeah.
That came later, it looks like. That looks also part of it for me, right?
Yeah.
The little one?
Definitely. And there's the platform.
Oh yes. Oh, that's unmistakable.
So here's all the tracks. And there's the platform over there. So this was definitely the station.
And there's some remnants of a structure. Do you see those
Yes,
steel
I
poles?
see that, yeah.
I have no idea what that could have been, do you?
No. It looks like it could have been one of those zinc buildings. Those are the poles uprights, and those zinc sheets that covered the building, you know.
Or even with the wire sides, you know, where that
one
could
of
have-
those, yes.
Just a small one. Not sure.
Pity the name's gone, eh?
Yeah, we always like seeing the name,
It just
as confirmation.
yes. But this must be the Twirrofeeder station.
Okay,
It is the Twirrofeeder station.
let's say we found it.
Yep, we did.
These two buildings may not provide shelter for humans anymore, but they're certainly providing shade for these two.
That's for sure. Hey!
You can see they're in cahoots, these two, hey? Hi!
Oh, that was so cool.
Yep.
Twee Riviere.
It was good to visit.
I've just got a special feeling about this place. It just touched my heart.
Really?
Definitely did.
I'm
The little
glad.
houses, the quaint little houses, the water channels that were built back in the day to supply each house with its own water supply was fantastic.
Yeah, I must say, I did get an authentic vibe in the little village, and I love that.
Yeah.
So for me, it was a little trip back in time again. Oh!
Oh, Apple Express.
Okay, bye Twirrofeeder.
What a greeting.